Hello, my name is Lyric Montgomery Kinard. I'm an artist that loves to sew and loves to teach. So let's go do something fun. Let's put a bobbin in. After your bobbin is wound, hold it so the thread is coming off the top to the right. Pop it in there. And then do you see this little line? Pull it in there. Through here. Did you hear it snap right there? And then over here. Now what should happen is you should feel a little bit of tension as you pull it through. Put the thread on the left side of this bar. Pull up the lever. I hold the thread and the lever at the same time. And then this bar fits into a slot in the top. And then you can let it go. And see how it stays in there? Now turn the flywheel that's up that way by hand. I hold the top thread very gently and turn the flywheel towards me. Watch that thread go around. There it is. And it loops and picks up your bobbin thread. You pull the top thread, pull them through, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel, or even better, stop by my shop and check out some of the fun things I have to offer there.